you have neck pain, shoulder pain, the headaches come up, he said, from the back here and curl all the way up to your left eye.
Every day is pretty much figuring out how long I can last till my body will give up.
Okay, got it. Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my God. I definitely just got taller.
So we have John here today, and John, here, let me get my chair so I'll sit next to him. All right, so John, tell us a little bit about your 5 years ago, what happened?
I had a gunshot injury in my shoulder, from one shoulder to the other, and since then I've dealt with a lot of different types of headaches and migraines and back pain, so I'm here to get it
For
fixed.
almost 5 or 6 years, right?
6 years and counting, yeah.
And you've had migraines almost every day?
Almost every day. Sometimes I get a day off.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah.
You're here in New York, and your wife?
My wife is a big fan of your videos, and
okay,
she sent me here. My
you
wife
said her
Hannah.
name's Hannah. Okay.
Yes.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah.
And so hopefully she watches this one, right?
Hopefully, yeah.
It'll come out in a couple of weeks or a couple of months. I don't know how late we're done.
If the editor can get it done.
So, but you have neck pain, shoulder pain. The headaches come up, he said, from the back here and curl all the way up to your left eye, right? Plus your lower back hurts when you stand all day.
Yeah.
Because you choose to stand only because your back hurts.
Yeah, pretty much.
Then, which is better for a while, but eventually it just wears out.
Yeah.
Right?
Every day is pretty much figuring out how long I can last till my body will give up.
Okay. So, what else? Did I miss anything, or that was basically it?
That's all.
Okay.
Can you fix it?
Yeah. All right. The first thing I noticed, though, and we'll start with this, is his range of motion in his shoulders. So I just want to show people this. So there's two types of lifting the arm. I can passively lift it, meaning he gives it to me to lift. So he doesn't lift it for me, I lift the weight of it. And as I get up to here, it just doesn't want to go any further. I'm going to do this side. I'm holding down his trap. And keep your head up and straight. And that side's painful, right? Which side's worse for you?
This one.
This one. Okay. Now we're going to let him actively lift it. So that means my hands are off. And you're not just throwing it up there. You're going to show me where you feel it gets stuck or bogged down or thick, whatever you want to call it. Okay?
Right.
And what happens there? It gets stuck, right?
Yeah, I feel like my shoulder's overextending past here.
Overextending. Okay, put that down. And was it with pain or just not, it loses its range of motion?
It just stops.
Okay, so do this side.
Here's where the pain will start, and if I go a little bit more, I start to feel it.
Really feel it.
Intensely, yeah.
Okay.
Through the top of my shoulder.
All right, so let's do some stuff. I'm going to start releasing the collarbone first. Let me see if I can just reach around and get it this way. So you're going to sit up tall, and I'm going to start working on the collarbone. I'm pulling it back with my fingertips and pushing down on his scapula at the same time. Breathe in and blow it out. Good. Breathe in and blow it out. Breathe in, blow it out. Now I'm going to do something on the scapula. It's going lateral to medial. I split the distance between the spine of scapula. And then I'm going to come down on his humerus also, and a little bit on the radius. We might have to do a few rounds of this, but let's test it now.
Crazy.
You try it on your own now.
No overextension.
Feels pretty good, right?
Yeah.
But let's get more out of it, okay?
No,
so you get it it was stopping around here.
Yeah.
So a little past 90 degrees. Now it's floating up another 20, 30 degrees in that short time.
Mm-hmm.
But when you bring it to the top, where do you feel it catching?
Right.
Do you feel it on top or do you feel it underneath?
No, over here, right where your finger.
Okay, so let's keep working. We've already done a good job, but let's keep going. Now start bringing your arm up again by yourself. Bring it all the way up. Keep going. And now we're going to pull it here. You feel those
Yep.
pressure points. Try it again by yourself. Good, put it down. We still have collarbone again. Sit up tall. Breathe in now, big into your chest. Good, and blow it out. And breathe in again. Good. Gonna do superior scapula, levator scapula. Try it now.
That's crazy. Wow. I can do this.
Good. Now do the other side. Comes up a little higher because when you work on one shoulder, it helps the other.
Yeah.
But this one we haven't done yet, so let's do this one. I'm messing up your shirt, but it might be worth it.
It's all good. I got another one.
Good. You mean another one here, or just
in the car,
general?
yeah. I always have a backup shirt in the car.
It's smart. You never know when you get a little mustard on it or something,
Yeah, exactly.
right? Breathe in now, big, and blow it out. And breathe in again. And one more. Good. Try it. Sit up tall.
Crazy.
It's cool, right?
Crazy.
Now tilt your head back. Tilt your head back. Head down. All the way. Bring it down. And bring it back. Good. Now try that shoulder.
Crazy.
Try this one now.
I haven't moved it like that in months.
Okay, that part's done for today.
Crazy.
You're gonna probably need a few treatments, but pretty cool start, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Shoulders work now.
Yeah, so the shoulders are part of the neck, remember. So when the neck is bad, the shoulders are bad. When the shoulders are bad, it usually takes the neck with it. Not always, but they're so common to be coupled together that it's worth looking at. And we just have non-stop noise in this office. If you watch my videos, you're probably frustrated with noise issues. Welcome to my world in New York. Okay, so lie on your back now. So I think he also has occiput compression. So this is your occiput area. And I'm under the left skull. Let's do a little muscle test. So you're gonna keep this arm up like this, and don't let me push it down. But then if I wedge my finger into the occiput, look how weak, look how weak it goes. Do you see?
I have zero strength.
Yeah, if I
Zero.
put my finger on that nerve. Good. So that's all bad. Do you get jaw issues too?
My jaw, for some reason, is just stuck in tense. Like, it's
Yeah.
stuck in a tense position most of the day.
Well, the first thing I noticed is your jaw is totally shifted this way.
I don't know when
Have
that
you ever
happened.
seen that in the mirror?
Yes.
So-
This part of my jaw sticks out a little.
Yeah, so his jaw is like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we need to bring the jaw back a little bit. And that can give him headache and neck pain as well because there's so much. Okay, so open your mouth and close. Good. And open. Good. Close. It just popped. Did you hear it?
Yep.
Now open and close. All right, we got to do a lot of stuff on you. Okay, so come sit on this box.
Okay.
Yeah, face them. No. I'm sorry, I didn't describe it well. Sit down there. That was my bad. All right. So hopefully we're going to time this when the machine in the other room isn't on. But you feel that's the bad spot. So one more time, hold your arm out to the side, make it strong, and then if I come into that spot, it just
I
crashes. So let this come over. Big breath in. And I'm waiting for that. Got it.
Whoa.
So that's your left side headaches. Take a breath in.
I think I just got taller.
Good. So now hold this arm out, make it strong, and then I'm on that nerve now and it's fine.
Yeah, wow, that's
Good.
crazy.
Good. So next lie on your back.
That's crazy.
And scoot down. So now I'm going to bring that jaw back around if I can, okay? So we're going to do it this way. Keep your mouth open.
Whoa.
That's pretty good.
It's not locked anymore. That's crazy. Holy shit. It's like, it feels normal.
Crack.
Oh
Crack.
my god. Wow.
We do a little Y strap on you, okay?
Sounds good. Wow, the relief from that is like coming in waves from the jaw.
Yeah, the jaw is intense when it can disrupt the whole nervous system. Oh, we unplugged it, that's why. Here, pick your head up. Here, hold this for a minute because we unplugged the power. And I need the power. Big breath in. And blow it out.
Oh my god. I definitely just got taller.
Let us know how it feels.
That's crazy. We need to check my height. I definitely just got taller. Crazy. Crazy. My whole back just opened up.
Did you feel that whole separation of everything?
My whole back just opened up. That
You know, your
was
jaw's in the middle now.
amazing. Oh my
Your
God.
whole jaw, here, look at me on the video for a second. His jaw is like this. This way. I can't do it. So I took it around and put it back that way. There's more. Scoot down towards me. Keep coming. And one more. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit more set on that left shoulder. So I'm going to set up here. Because that's your bad side, is the left side, right? Got it. This will do both sides, though. Little one. The left side, everything is worse on your left.
Yeah.
That's where you get your headaches. That's where your jaw was messed up.
It's actually crazy to feel my jaw able to hang loose on its own.
Yeah, it's in the
I
middle.
haven't felt that in forever.
It's in the middle. So it's not in a constant state of tension. There's more.
Wow.
All right, let's do this. Lie on your side facing me. Bring this knee up. Let me get you off my shoulder so you don't jam it. Big breath in. and blow it out.
Yeah, I'm taller. I'm gonna be taller after this.
So come this way.
Other side?
Yeah, same thing up this way. That was massive. Got it.
Amazing.
So come sit up now and face me. How do you feel right now? Move your neck, move your shoulders.
Everything feels, I guess, like it should. My lower back is totally open. Totally open. I think I can even stand up taller than before even.
And lean back a little bit. You know, you used to not like
It doesn't feel tilted forward at all.
Yeah.
If I do this, I mean, I guess if I go all the way down, I still feel like a tiny bit of relief, but it doesn't feel necessary.
I always tell people chiropractic is a process, not a one-day procedure. So, you know, I would have you come in and do a few visits and start to really turn back the clock. You've been feeling off for almost 6 years now, right?
Yeah.
5, 6 years?
Yeah.
Since your
Accident.
yeah.
Injury.
How did it happen?
Robbery, gone bad, I guess.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry that you went through all that. Plus, it's something you haven't ever really fully came back to where you felt prior to that, right?
Not yet, no.
Okay. Do you want to end there, or do you want to do anything with the cranial today, or we do that another day?
Do you think I would benefit from some kind of cranial release?
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool stuff.
Then I think we should.
And I think it would help you with the headaches.
Then I think we
So it's
should
not
try.
about breathing for you, it'd be more about the chronic migraines.
Then we should
All right, so let's do that. We're going to head back there now. Do the right nostril, then the left nostril. This is floppy, so you're going to hold on to floppy. But here, start the camera. And that gives you something to squeeze. It's always good to have something to squeeze. So we're going to do the CFR. We're going to start on his right side. This is floppy, just something to squeeze onto. That was my daughter's when she was a kid. And she let me use it in the practice. We cover this with aloe vera gel. And I'm going to put this back. And once I have it in place, I'm going to say take a big breath in and hold. And you need to open your mouth like this. Try one. And then close your lips and hold your breath.
For how long?
1 second is enough.
Gotcha.
It's really fast. So here's the right side. Ready? You wait till I place it, and then I'll say big mouth open and close. So whenever you're ready, big mouth open and close. Close. You did
Whoa.
it. And here's some tissues. Whoa. Did you hear a crack?
I don't know.
You're tapping too fast, right?
Yeah.
So I actually needed 2 to get it past there. I had to do 2 big squeezes. Sometimes it can release in 1 squeeze, but you have a lot of blockage. I wouldn't be surprised if you either broke your nose or had concussions. Like, you have a lot of compression in your face, skull, jaw.
Whoa.
What did you feel? Tell us about it.
It's like coming out of the water too fast. Does
Yeah.
that make sense? Yeah, like that.
People describe it that way. Take a breath in. See how much breath you can get in.
Could definitely breathe a lot more.
Were you aware of any cracking or separation or popping?
No, I just like, it's like popping your ears after a flight type of thing.
Yeah, okay. So, I know it's crazy, but let's do the last one, okay?
Whoa.
You ready? As ready as you can be?
I guess so, yeah.
Okay, here we go. Whenever you're ready, big breath in and close your mouth.
Whoa.
You're brave, because that was a tough one also. Yours weren't easy. Come sit up for a minute. Did you hear any cracking on that one?
Yeah.
Here's tissues.
Very good. Feel that much lighter in my head.
I'm curious to see what happens with your headaches. Because we
Wow.
did a lot of things for your headaches today. We did the occiput lift.
This actually feel like it opened up the back of my neck even more. Very cool.
Okay, cool.
Very cool. It did feel tougher to get through on this side.
Yeah, that left side was nasty. And then it was tough to push the balloon back there. It took two squeezes on both sides. Most people, I can do it with one squeeze, but yours is so blocked and so locked. Like things were moving in your face. There should be some flexibility.
Do you think my jaw tightness might have anything to do with that?
Yeah, your whole face, your jaw, your neck, your shoulder. Your shoulder had pain on this side. Remember, this side was just stiff.
Stuck that way for so many years.
This side was just stiff, but this side was pain and stiff.
Yeah.
It had not just stiffness, but you winced when you put your left arm up.
Yeah.
Now raise your left arm. It should be
I can do everything. I feel like I could run a marathon right now.
good.
Never done that.
So I'm
before.
glad we did this. You did everything that you could do today, and thank you so much. What
Thanks
was your
for having
favorite
me.
part?
I think my favorite part was probably the Y strap. Feeling my whole lower back come apart like that was amazing. Never felt that in my life.
Okay, good.
And I'm curious to see how my body reacts the rest of the day.
All right.
This is a good feeling.
All right,
I haven't felt this good in my body in a long time.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Dr.
you for
Doug.
sending him, Hannah. I appreciate it.
Always listen to your wife.
Yeah. So whenever you're ready, big mouth, open and close. Close.
Whoa.
And here's some tissues. Did you hear a crack?
I don't know.
You're tapping too fast, right?
Yeah.